errors and everything. Okay, so we want to make we want to actually get details about our instances. So we want to know what's happening at any point in time. So just scroll down to do, yeah. So it's okay here. In order for EC2 servers instance to speak with Prometheus, we need to install an exporter in each one. I think we already have that in our Ansible, know the exporter, right? We have to create a job that uses Ansible to go into EC2 instance and install the exporter. Add a section to just add a section to backend configuration job to install node exporter for Prometheus monitoring. I think we've done that. We've done that, and yes, we've done that. If we go back to check, you see we've added a configure Prometheus, but there's something we didn't do. I don't think we opened up port 910 for our server. Yes, we didn't. So even though we have a node on our server, port 9100 is not open. So we might have to go back to that, what do you call it? The cloud formation scripts that creates a server. So we have to add 9100 to the ports that it's
VS actually
code. Yes, VS Code. So let me show you what we are supposed to do. So we are going to configure server. Sorry. We are going to configure server. No, not this. And Superpowers. So we are going to CircleCI files, then backend.yaml. You see, we have a security
backend.yaml.
Yeah, files backend.yaml.
Okay, listen.
Files backend.yaml. Can you see? You see where we have IP protocol TCP on line 20. Line 20.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So you have to copy that. You have to copy line 20 to 23, then duplicate it. Yeah, you see, duplicate it, copy, then put it beneath, keep another copy beneath it. Exactly. No, move back one space. So the indentation is okay, fine. It's fine now. So remember, we have one ahead that opens IP protocol TCP for SSH. Okay. We have another one that opens 3030 so that our backend is available at 3030. So we want another one for our node server. And the IP to open will be 9100 for our node exporter. Yes. So 9100. So let's change 3030 in line 25 and 26 to 9100.
Okay.
So having done this, that means I would either have to run the old jobs or go and manually add it for our existing, what do you call it? For our existing EC2 instance. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So because that one never had this instruction when we're creating it. Okay. So we have to wait around it. Either to go create it manually or run the whole script from beginning. I think that will be a long process. So I would just advise I will go create that manually. So we go to EC2 instances and we go to security groups. Then we try to add that to the inbound rules. So instances. No. You're not going to. Okay, are you going to a group directly? How do you know what group belongs to what instance? So do we know which machine we are actually going into? Oh, by IP, right? How sure are we?
What should we do? Shouldn't you just run it from VS Code?
No. So let's go back to our pipelines, our secretary pipelines. I think we'll find a shortcut. I can't believe we will need to. Okay, one of our jobs, go to cleanup. One of our jobs is supposed to be showing us the what do you call it? The job flow ID. Yeah, go to cleanup, the last job there. So we are trying to look at the outputs we actually, okay. Click on remove old start flow. Let's see the outputs. Is there any place we are showing our workflow ID? Okay, go back to the previous job. I want to.
The previous job.
Yes, the previous job before checkout. I think there's a point where we are echoing our current workflow ID. It actually helps. So we know what infrastructure belongs to what.
This one.
Yeah, let's check CloudFront update. Yes. Update CloudFront distribution. Not yet. Sorry for the going up and down. Still go back the previous one. Let me stylishly check the codes. Then from there we'll know which job is actually helping us to echo our current
smoke test
workflow ID. Smoke test, right?
That's the previous.
Yeah.
One.
Let's check smoke test. Smoke test, is smoke test doing that? I doubt that. Smoke test didn't. Is there a way to get this to get our workflow ID from Circle CI without running any command? I'm just trying to be lazy. See, the more, oh, okay. There's a nice job that is echoing. Deploy infrastructure is actually doing that. Go to deploy infrastructure. So the more things you echo or you print, the better it is for you. Is that deploy infrastructure? Is this deploy infrastructure?
Yes.
Okay, so let me see which job exactly is doing that. Ensure backend infrastructure exists. So you see 31D. So that's 31D 758.
Just that one. I should copy just this.
So any instance that has any instance that has that should any instance that has that.
Okay.
Go back to these two instances now. 31D 7581. 31D. Oh, it's the last one. 75. Yeah, this is it. So our guess would have been right anyway, but we don't work with guesses here. Insert state is stopped. Who stopped it? The instance is stopped.
It's stopped.
So we have to run the whole thing again. Yeah.
Okay, now because of the internet issue, maybe.
Yeah, so let's just try running the
from VS Code.
Yeah. So just push it to Circle CI to create a new infrastructure. Then we can be rest assured that the infrastructure will have ports 9090 or 9100 open, and it will have Prometheus node exporter installed. So while we wait for the stack to be created and from the jobs in Circle CI, we can just go and create a Prometheus server.
Yeah, lower.
So let's go back to the instructions.
Oh, you want that message?
Okay, so scroll up, not down, up. Okay, so provide a screenshot of your setup backend. Okay, scroll up again. Is there something we're missing?
Okay.
Good. We have to manually create an EC2 instance and SSH into it. So let's go and create an EC2 instance and SSH into it. A new EC2 instance. EC2 instance. Were we even told what kind of instance we need to create? Is it going to be Ubuntu, AWS, Amazon images or something?
Sure, they said anything.
They didn't.
How did you create it?
It was not stated.
It's just
was
not
not stated.
anyone.
Yeah, just.
So just use
Any name.
any free tier for like any Ubuntu free tier.
Okay, just okay.
Yeah.
Let's call it let's call it Prometheus. Web name Prometheus. Web server name.
Prometheus, that's it. So Ubuntu.
Yes.
Okay.
Are you sure we should choose 22.4? 22.04. Is that fine? Or you want us to choose something? Let's choose 20.20. My reason for saying that is I don't know if there's any configuration changes or any new thing, because 22.04 is a newer version.
Okay, yeah.
Then the instruction we are following might maybe by the time it was created, the instruction, I don't know, just suggesting to be on
Just choose.
Might not be a valid suggestion, but
Keep it. Should we create a new keeper?
no. Let's use an existing one. Let's use an existing one. You have Udacity. Yeah, it's that. Firewall, SSH, allow SSH from anywhere. Yeah, so let's go on. Storage, 8 gig is fine. So I think that's all the configuration we need now.
No advanced details. We just open it.
Is there need? Nope.
Okay, launch.
Launch, yes. So we now have a machine called Prometheus. Oh, I think the second machine must be the one the new stack is creating.
Okay.
Yeah, backend. So let's see. Let's go back to the instructions. It's that pointing us to a particular tutorial. So let's open that tutorial and follow from top. Oh, sorry.
What?
Let's follow the instructions from beginning to the end.
I see another set of instructions here again. Should I open this one too?
Yeah, you can open that in a new tab too, but let's do one after the other. Not yet. So so let's follow these instructions. Hopefully, village people will not prevent it from working. So let's scroll down. Still no particular information here. Scroll down. Please scroll down.
Okay.
Watch out. Yeah, we've done all this.
Yeah.
We've done all this. We've done all this. Yes. We've added this.
Yeah.
Hold it, please. So there are okay. We need to add some security. We need to open some ports in our security groups. So we need port 1990 for Prometheus. server. We need port 910 for the node exporter that will be in Prometheus itself. And we need 1993 for Alert Manager. So 1990, 9100, and 1993. Let's go to security groups. Let's go set them up.
Security groups or
Yes, on this.
Prometheus.
So just click on security.
Okay.
On Prometheus, click on security. Inbound. So let's add inbound rows. So have you clicked on the security group? Let's see. Click on it. So inbound rules, edit inbound rules.
Okay, this is where Timline is having issue.
Huh?
Okay, Timline is having issue on the tab.
Yeah, somewhere here. So click on add rule, add rule, add rule. Hold on, go back to the instructions. Install Prometheus. Configure security group. There's a reason why I'm checking this again. We need ports. Okay, this finally. Okay. Scroll down. I want to see if all the rules are ingress, if they are all inbound, or we have outbound rules. Okay, let's go back to EC2 security groups. So the first group we need is 1990.
The first group.
Yeah, I'm sorry, the first port range, please. Port range, yeah. 1990. I should have written that down. 1990, then 0. We want all IPs to be able to access it. Yes, add rule, add another rule. And that should be 9100. Okay, we want 1993 here. Is 1993 and 9100.
Yeah.
Yeah, 9100. So all IPs as well. All IPs 00000, all IPs. Yeah. And the last one, 1993. Yeah. We can decide to add a description, but that's optional. So let's just save the rules. Okay, so let's see what the next instructions are. Here as well, we might be doing some heavy lifting of code. So launch, okay, oh, they expected I would have created the rules during launch and during the creation of the instance. Just scroll down, keep here. We already did this while we're installing the, we're creating the EC2 instance. Scroll down. So we need to get the public DNS so we can SSH into it, right? Scroll down, install Prometheus, scroll down. Don't worry, we'll go back and get that. Now that we have the Prometheus server, okay, let's connect to the AWS EC2 instance and we're going to install, oh, so you see this code now, the SSH, we are running at the terminal, then the PEM file, that's the key pair file we are using, and the user at the IP address. If we go to EC2 instance, that has been made for us. Easy. So go to your AWS console. And
go to the instance.
Yeah, go to the instances, then click on back. Wow. Okay. The running ones, please. Prometheus. No, click on just the instance ID. Oh, that's fine, that's fine. Just stay where you are. Then connect. Click on connect. Then click on the example, that example there, just copy that file and boom. So I want you to go to your VS Code. So we are supposed to just paste and drop this thing here. But for some reasons, okay, paste it, then click enter. Then press return or enter.
The terminal.
Yeah, it will not work. I'll tell you why.
Wait. No.
Enter.
Okay.
No. Why are you canceling?
That wasn't it. Was it?
Okay.
It was. Okay.
Enter. Okay.
Yes.
So identify,
Right.
yes, but you see it still won't work. Yes. Okay. You know why it didn't work?
Permission denied.
Your file is not in this directory, and you are in a different directory, and you didn't even link your file to it. So I believe your file should be in downloads, right? Open a new terminal, so we can just CD into downloads there. So we can keep this one for reference purposes. So CD. No, not this one. I want a new terminal. You want to change it from PowerShell to Bash, right?
Yes, nothing in it, right?
Oh, you can just use it like that, even if it is even if it is.
So what you do is
we
to
need Bash.
click on the PowerShell itself.
Yeah, PowerShell would even do it.
Click on that arrow.
Okay, the arrow on top.
The small one. No,
Okay.
the small one by the side. So you can change it to
Bash.
git bash.
Okay. So now just cd your way out of this directory. Cd space /. Okay. You are in desktop. That's not where your is. So you can just cd your way out again. Okay, enter. CD into downloads. CD downloads. I'm assuming you are using a Windows and your downloads are saved in downloads. Good. So list is ls, please. ls.
It's capital letter D.
Okay, capital letter D. Right?
Okay, let me try.
There's no downloads. Yeah.
Oh, wait, let me just go and check first.
Oh, you know what? Go and check your downloads so we can copy the path from your file explorer. Yeah, you can copy the path from here. So go there, downloads. So that's it, right?
This one, no. Which one are you talking about?
Okay, go to the top here. Yeah. It's just downloads. Or yeah. So you know what?
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. No. Yeah, copy that. Don't worry. Just copy that. Copy that. Is it copied?
Yes.
Copied, right? So go there. We are going to edit this anyway. Okay. Paste. Okay, so delete all the way down to Udacity. All the way down to Udacity. Yeah. So okay, remove that backward slash too. Okay, take your cursor to the front of the directory. Yes. Then try cd space. Then let's see. This is the absolute file path, so it should work. Enter. Ooh. This is terrible. Oh, OneDrive. Okay, cd to home. This is bash. Cd into home. Cd tilde. No. The one before, no, the one before, the symbol before one. Or you can use home as well. I use
I have.
home.
Okay.
Home. Okay, try this. Just try what I paste in the chat. Let's see if it works. But this is not rocket science. Oh, you know what? Sorry for taking you through all this stress. Let's go and connect in the browser.
Connect in the browser.
In the browser, if this doesn't work.
But it looks like it has worked now. Right?
Okay, it has. Okay, so let's look for our udacity.pen file. Okay, at least ls. Let's see. We are trying to look for where your downloads folder is. Is there downloads here?
Yes.
There is. Okay, CD to downloads. CD downloads.
Exactly the way it's written.
Yes.
Like
Enter.
that.
Yeah, you should make. Yeah, fine. So now try what we go back and copy the command ssh I space dash I space. Yeah. So this should work now. If it doesn't, then we have to change permissions.
No result. Name of service not known.
Did you copy? Okay. SSH. Really? Try again, but this time don't press enter. Let me see what you copy, what you pasted. Okay, try again. Enter.
Wow, why didn't it work the first time?
Network issue, I will assume. So let's start the heavy lifting. Go back to the instructions.
Wait, this instructions.
Yeah, so we have done this just now. So because I don't have chew, so you have two options. Either copy the whole command one at a time or copy everything together. I think copy everything together still work. Yeah. Exactly.
Here.
Yeah, paste. Let's watch out. Paste. So enter now. Enter. It must have run the previous commands. Okay. So it did run the previous command. So next, let's go back to the instructions. Scroll down. Okay, so here, because I want to be meticulous here, so I want you to copy wget all the way to the end. This is to download. But wait, did you try, okay, sudo apt install, or don't worry. When we get there, we'll figure out. Copy this and paste it to your terminal.
Just this line.
Yes.
Right.
Because I know this command will take time, so I don't want to risk anything. Okay, enter. Oh wow, that was fast. Okay, so you can go back and bundle the whole commands. I didn't know this would be this fast. Oh,
Because
no.
that was fast.
Leave tar. No, don't bundle the whole thing. Tar. Yeah, unzipping might take time, so I want to see the output, the weight running. I want to take no chances. Paste it, please. Enter. Okay, now go and dump everything.
No.
No. It will work. Go and dump
All
everything.
right.
I was expecting to be extremely slow. Yeah.
Enter.
Done. Wonderful. And press enter now. Press enter. Yeah. So the last command was executed. So go back to the instructions. If you need detailed explanation of what those instructions are doing, the tutorial will help with just that. Go up a little. So, okay, that's fine. Initially, as a proof of concept, we can configure Prometheus to monitor itself. All we need to do is create and replace the content of etc Prometheus / Prometheus.yaml. So scroll down a little. So we want to replace this portion. So what you do is, first, I want you to copy etc / Prometheus / Prometheus.yaml. Yeah. Copy that. Yeah, all the way to that point, copy. Then I believe Nano should be installed on this computer. So try Nano. I don't know, I'm a fan of Nano, not a fan of Vim. Nano, Nano, space. That will be our text editor. I could have, okay, then paste the thing you copied. I could have just want to check what, okay, enter. Boom. Oh, the file is not, okay, it's not writable. So just press Control X to exit. Control X to exit. It's saying it's not writable, so we have to do this as admin. So press up arrow key. We want to repeat the same instruction, but put sudo in front. So take your cursor all the way to the back. We want to do that as super admin.
Sure.
Okay, as a super user, sorry. So sudo super user do space enter. Enter now. So we'll be able to write into the file. Fine. So you see, it's no longer saying file is not writable or something. So now we want to, I hope copy and paste to work here. So go back to the instructions. Let's paste something here. So let's copy everything there, global all the way down to the last table bracket, the last square bracket, sorry. Yeah, copy that. Let's paste it into this. I pray, that's it. Oh, fine, great. So Control X, now we are exiting, but to ask us a question. Yeah, I want to save modified, but yes. So Y or yes, type Y or yes. File name to write, yes, enter.
Enter.
No, enter, just press enter, yeah. So if you are doubtful of what you've done, you can either cut out the content or you can try Nano again to see if what you've done is working. So do you want to be?
Yes, let's check.
You want to check? So just press your up arrow key and press enter again. Enter. So you see it's still there. So press Ctrl X. Nothing changed. So do not ask you any question. Yeah, fine. So let's go back to the instructions. You want to Prometheus will be available every time we reboot. So we'll start. Okay. So create this file. So you have to create this file and add the following content to it. We repeat what we just did now. So copy etc/systemd/ okay Prometheus.service. Copy all that. Then we'll use Nano again to write whatever it's down there into it. Simple as that.
Sudo Nano.
Yeah, sudo Nano. I love Nano because it's similar to every other text editor, unlike Vim. Maybe I'm lazy or just too blocked. So go back to the instructions. Let's go and copy the instructions. Yeah, the ones in black, all the way down to target. We've just been doing heavy lifting. You know the drill. So paste, yes, Control X to exit. Then yes, Y for yes,
then enter.
Yeah, fine. Go back to the instruction. I'm sure that thing must have worked. Okay, so let's change the permissions of directory. Because this is Linux and this is not GUI, you can just copy everything and go and dump it. And that works. Yes. Dump and then press enter. Enter for the last command to work. Okay, fine. That is our strength. Go back to the instructions. Now we need to configure system D. So copy the two instructions too. Boom.
You're almost done.
Enter. So let's go back to the instructions. We have lifted everything there without explaining because that will, yeah, waste of time because the tutorial itself is explanatory. So if we've done this now, do we expect our Prometheus to be up and running? So let's check. Let's
Where we check
from. Let's go to the instance, connect to. Let's go and copy the IP of the address of. Okay, you know what? Just copy the DNS, public DNS here. You can do that anywhere. Number four.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. So take that to your browser, to a tab, to a new tab. But don't forget to put 9100. Is it 9100, 1990? Prometheus port.
I have to check.
That's 1990. It's 1990.
1990.
That's a port, yeah. It's 1990.
So column
9100 is for the node export, I believe. 1990. Just put 1990. Yeah? 9090. Let's see if it is working. Except maybe there's a problem with the ports. Is this your network again or something else?
No, are you sure we got the address right?
Okay. First, maybe it's the address, maybe it's the ports. Let's go to the EC2 instance. Let's see if that connects pin. Yeah. Let's leave that side. Go to the instance. You can press back. Yeah, hey, good. You can just go. Yeah, instances.
Should have been the other one.
Okay.
DNS. This one.
Yes. So what's the Prometheus node? 1990. Try 1990. Try 1990. Is it up and running? Are we even expecting it to run here? So let's go back. No problems. Let's go back to the instruction.
Wait, sorry, I want to check. Isn't it, are we not supposed to put something? Just 1990.
No, let's go back and check. Set up a Prometheus server, configure this Prometheus for AWS. No. Go back to the install Prometheus instructions. Scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, hold on. Okay, port 99. Oh, go back. I want to check the ports. Go scroll up, not down. Up.
This one.
It's 9,000. Is it 9,000? Go up.
No, it's 1990.
It's 1990.
It's the port 1990 for Prometheus, then port 910 for Prometheus node export.
So scroll down. Scroll down, all the way down. All the way down, all the way down.
Down.
I'm sorry, have you done system CTL start Prometheus or something like that too? Or do you start us to check the status of the Prometheus server?
We've done sudo CTL enable Prometheus. So start CTL, right?
Yeah, start.
Okay. Can you share the command? Although I had the same issue, so I followed a different tutorial. Let me see if I can figure it out. But please do share with us your command while I fetch what the tutorial used.
Yeah, it's the same as what you were doing before. Just go to the VS Code.
I'm not with you at the moment. Please go on. I'm trying to fetch something, so you can just tell us what to do while I try to fetch.
Go to
Okay,
system
Paul.
CTL.
I should go to the VS Code.
Yes, to the command prompt.
Okay. Can you see my screen? I'm there.
Yeah, sudo system CTL start Prometheus. Just replace that enable with start.
Enter.
Yes, of course, enter. For us to check, just replace that start. Replace that start with status. Sudo CTL status, just to check if it's running or not. Well, you can see it's not running, so it's not configured properly. You need to check the configuration again.
So I had the same problem, although this is for Amazon Linux. But let's see. I need following that instructions actually give me some issues. I had some issues with that. So okay, I tried this. Let's see if this is going to work. So this is actually Prometheus on Amazon Linux too. So let's see.
You can read the reason, the instruction there to tell you why it is not running.
Okay.
From those lines, I'm using my phone so I can see it very well.
Okay, so let's see. Hey. No, not there. Go back to your command line. Go back to your command line, your VS Code, please.
My internet is unstable, but can you see my screen?
Yes, we can now. Just hold it.
You know, it's a YAML file. It might be the formatting and anything. It's not well formatted to not start.
So let's go back and check the. It's like we have to. Okay. Execute start. Let's go and check Prometheus. The YAML file. This. You know what? Try. This command, we have the configuration file at etc/prometheus/prometheus.yaml file, the YAML. That command, we have to cut it out. You know what? Just press Ctrl+C first. Have you done that? Okay, good. If you look at the top of your terminal, you have active, you have process. That process, okay, 1472 execute start config file. See that etc the YAML, yeah. Copy that file. Let's see the contents. Just cut it out.
Where should I copy?
Not from there, from the / etc.
Okay.
Yeah, / all the way down to YAML. Yeah,
Mm.
copy that. Then
Break
say,
it.
let's use nano. So once we sudo nano, then let's go back to it. Enter, press enter. So let's look at this configuration file. Script conf, is it supposed to be script configs or script config? Let's see. Config the YAML file.
The start, look at the start and sorry, the job and the start, it's not well aligned from what I just saw now.
Okay. I was even doubting the content of the code itself.
Yeah, sorry, the static config and job, it should be aligned, on the same line.
Is that the only thing you're seeing? Oh, you have to bring your cursor down.
For now.
Bring your cursor. Arrow button. You can only use arrows. Yes.
Okay, sorry.
You can only use arrows. Then even the
So
script.
wait, which one? Static.
Yes, that's static and job.
So
Even
the
the script.
script is supposed to be it has G. Script config.
Exactly. So there's an error there.
So wait, this G that is here on his own, do you think it's
Yeah, I'm trying to
from
look for a proper please go on while I try to see if I can get a proper Prometheus configuration file.
You can go to the tutorial again, so you know how it was aligned on there. Then you use it to align it here.
Oh, that's fine.
the tutorial?
So
Does
go back
this
to
install
yes.
Prometheus?
Scroll down. We are going down this time around. Sorry. Scroll.
This is it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you see exactly? It's script configs. No, don't copy again. Don't copy again. Okay,
Should
go
just
back.
correct it.
Yes.
Wait, let me compare.
Your arrows, don't forget. So script configs.
Job name, static configs, target.
Then static, just bring your arrow down. Bring your arrow down. Then take it up. Yeah, is this second static config that the static config that you're so going to align with job.
Okay.
Go up. No space. No. Space. Don't delete the spaces. Add more spaces.
Okay. Oh,
You should
not with
align on
the
that job.
hyphen.
Yeah.
With job itself.
Okay, it's fine now. I think it's fine now. So just Control X.
Then right.
Yes.
And
Yeah. Enter. Good. So you'd have to enable. Do you have to enable again, or just start and check if it's running? Just press your up arrow keys and try the previous commands. Nope. Add up again.
The status.
Up. No, not status. Start.
Start.
Yes. Then status again. Oh, it's running.
I think it's running. Okay. So I should go and check this.
So it was copy and paste that actually caused that error.
Mm.
Oh, it's working now. I can see that.
Working.
Hey.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you for pointing that out. I was about to look for another because I didn't follow that tutorial eventually when I had that issue. Probably I wasn't ready to fight that battle. I was exhausted.
Are we taking screenshots
So
in all these places?
Let's go and check if we are taking screenshots. I just want to take few minutes break. I'll take
Okay.
like 10 minutes break. Sorry for taking this short breaks, but
No, it's fine. It's
okay.
fine. We
So
need it.
I'll take 10 minutes break, but
Okay.
you can